in the park.
Annie, I am tired. Shall we stop here for lunch?
Absolutely a good idea. I am tired too.
Let's have some sandwiches.
The sandwiches are delicious. Did you make them?
Mum taught me how to make them.
You are a cooking genius. You are cooking so well.
No, I am not a genius. The truth is that I like eating. This park is huge and is very big.
Yes. I saw many facilities when we were cycling through this morning. Let's see what they are in the park and what the people are doing here. Fountain. Fountain. Jogging track. Jogging track. There is a cycling track. A bicycle sharing system was installed too. It is easy to rent and return a bike. Besides, the rental is not expensive. We do not need to bring our own bikes anymore.
The idea of sharing is very good. It saves a lot of our resources.
On the other hand, we have to learn how to preserve and cherish the community resources. Bicycle. Bicycle. Scooter. Scooter. A lake. A big lake for boat rowing. There are ponds that you can play your radio-controlled boat here. I like to feed the koi fish over there when I am free. That is fun. There is a kiosk. It sells snacks and beverages. Food truck. Food truck. Public toilets. Public toilets. Swings. Swings. Slide. Slide. Climbing training facility. Climbing training facility. Tug of war. Tug of war. Trampoline. Trampoline. Seesaw. Seesaw. Sandpool. Sandpool. Skateboard. Skateboard. Rope skipping. Rope skipping. Kites flying. Kites flying. Bubble blowing. Bubble blowing. From time to time, you can see many interesting animals and birds in the park.
Oh, I can see 2 deer now.
Swans. Swans. Pigeons. Pigeons. Sparrows. Sparrows. Ducks and water ducks. Ducks and water ducks. Squirrels. Squirrels. Squirrels are fond of pine nuts from the pine cones. Sometimes you will see foxes. Stay calm when you see them.
I scare off foxes.
There were reported that wild boars were found too.
We would better to stay away from them when we see them, though they look cute. After all, they are dangerous animals.
Chess playing. Chess playing. This man is walking a dog. Look. These 2 girls are walking 7 dogs. They are amazing.
They are playing badminton.
They are playing football.
Boys are crazy about football.
What about basketball?